Periods are natural, but the pollution they create doesn't have to be. Menstrual waste and pollution impact both our health and the environment. It's time that we address how periods contribute to the environmental damage and the public health crisis they pose. Each year, 12 billion tons of menstrual waste is generated globally. A typical sanitary pad contains up to 90% of plastic, which takes up to 800 years to decompose. That means every pad that's ever been used is still out there, polluting our landfills, oceans, and natural habitats. The average woman uses 5,000 to 15,000 pads in her lifetime, multiplied by billions of women. The environmental damage of that is catastrophic. But it's not just the plastic, it's the bleach, it's the harmful fragrances and chemicals that are put in these pads that can lead to reproductive issues. And when these pads, full of chemicals and full of plastic, are burnt, they pollute the air and the environment. And in certain areas where there aren't proper waste management systems, this waste turns up into the rivers or is openly burned, which further contaminates the environment. But we can't address menstrual waste without addressing period poverty. Now, period poverty refers to the lack of access to menstrual products, education, hygiene facilities, and waste management. Did you know globally 1 in 10 girls in low income countries can't afford sanitary products, leading them to use unsafe alternatives like ash, old rags, or even old cloth? A study done in 2021 revealed that over 500 million women and girls experience period poverty, with many of them lacking access to essential hygiene products. They need to manage their periods safely and with dignity. In many parts of the world, this lack of access means that girls are forced to miss school or work. In the sub-Saharan Africa region alone, 1 in 10 girls miss school during their menstrual cycle. Over time, this adds up to a significant education gap, which perpetuates the cycle of poverty. According to UNICEF, about 23% of girls in India drop out of school once they begin menstruating, often due to lack of access to hygiene facilities or hygiene products. At Gola and through my Girl Up Club, we've taken action by donating 50,000 biodegradable pads made of bamboo fiber to women all over Delhi. These pads break down faster than the traditional plastic ones, addressing period poverty and pollution. I had the opportunity to attend Wi-Fi South Asia, where my team came up with Menstrual. Menstrual was focused on sustainable menstrual health and emphasizing how switching to reusable or biodegradable products can significantly reduce the carbon footprint. But all this being said, we need to understand that education is key. Girls and women need to be aware of the sustainable alternatives like menstrual cups and biodegradable pads. But knowledge alone isn't enough. We need policies that improve access to these products. We need to ensure that hygiene facilities are available in schools and in public spaces. But how can we make a difference? Well, we can spread awareness, talk to our family and our friends about the importance of discussing menstrual pollution, the importance of using sustainable products, and the impact of period poverty. Knowledge is the first step towards change. We can support local initiatives like our local Gola clubs that are working towards providing menstrual education and sustainable products. Volunteering or donating towards these initiatives can have a direct impact on the communities in need. We can advocate for change, for better policies, and for better hygiene facilities, and making sustainable products more affordable. And of course, we ourselves can choose sustainable, which means purchasing menstrual products that are biodegradable or reusable. Menstrual health and environmental sustainability are deeply interconnected. By making a better choice for our bodies, we can protect our planet together. We can create a future where the periods don't just pollute the environment or the planet, but where every girl has access to safe and eco-friendly products, and where menstrual health is a priority for both gender equality and environmental sustainability. Thank you.